Hello guys, right, I'm just going to show you how to make a basic dome shape in Google Sketchup. We're going to start by drawing a circle. It could be any size you want, doesn't really matter. Right, next we're going to go to the push pull tool and raise it up a little bit. And we're going to stay on the push and pull tool, let's get rid of that. Stay on the push and pull tool and hold down or press Control. So you get the plus option right there. And that will add another surface. I'm just going to raise it up once more. And every time we raise it up, we are going to click on the scale tool, which is here. It might be in a different place for you. I've got my SketchUp set the way I want it. But yeah, you're going to hold down Control and just drag the edges in slightly. Click on the push-pull, hit Control again, make another surface, and well, just basically keep going with it until you get a nice fancy dome shape. Yes. Not difficult at all, and as you can see, we're already cracking along fairly nicely. Got a pretty decent looking dome shape coming up here now. Really gotta get this mouse fixed. Okay. Just keep going with that until you're satisfied. Just gonna zoom in, Control, raise it up, scale, make it smaller. Now it might take some trial and error for you to get it perfect every time. Even I can't get it perfect every time, so you know, your dome is as good as you want your dome to be. For the very tip top, you can either put a cone on the end of it, or extrude this straight up so it looks like a big metal pole coming up the middle of some strange shape. I didn't press Control. There we go. Okay, right. Final scale. Whoopsie. There we go. See, I've done it now. Let's go down a bit. There we are. That'll do the job. Okay, now if you are making this for some form of game, you can... Oh, look at the bottom. Look at that. Right, first we'll make the bottom look like it belongs to part of this shape. Simple, really. Grab a corner and pull it out. Well, that'll do the job. Looks like something you find on an Indian palace. Now, if you're making this for a game, or you're going to be using this dome shape in a game, you can decrease the number of polygons and thus increase your performance by just selecting the face on the bottom, deleting, and just keep going up until you're happy. Now doing this, it will reduce the number of polygons stupidly. There we go. You have yourself a dome. Not a very good one, I'll give you that, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes and the better it becomes, and obviously you'll probably be able to get the better dome shape than I will because I just rushed this for you, but yeah, that's the simple way to do it. In my personal opinion, it beats drawing a circle, drawing a line straight up and then arcing each individual point. Yeah, this is a lot less time consuming and you can get what you need for a fraction of the time. Well, if you need any more advice on SketchUp, just comment below and I'll try my best to answer it. If I can't answer it in text, I'll definitely do a video for it. Well, thanks for watching everyone.